Welcome back to Luxefluent. Today, we're diving into the top tips for home design in 2024, where style meets functionality. Whether you're renovating or starting fresh, these expert insights will help you transform your space into a sanctuary of modern elegance. Don't forget to subscribe to Luxefluent for more design inspirations. Farmhouse styling. Farmhouse styling remains a perennial favorite in 2024, blending rustic allure with modern sophistication to create spaces that feel both cozy and chic. Rooted in the history of homes on agricultural lands, farmhouse interiors now integrate contemporary elements like reclaimed wood accents, shiplap walls, and spacious area layouts. This fusion preserves the warmth of traditional farmhouses while embracing the clean lines and open designs suited to modern living. Traditionally, farmhouses were essential structures on agricultural estates, offering shelter and functionality rather than adhering to a specific design aesthetic. This inherent versatility contributes to the timeless appeal of farmhouse decor, making it adaptable to various interior tastes and preferences. Whether you're drawn to its historical roots or its current blend of old-world charm and contemporary flair, farmhouse styling continues to resonate as a versatile and enduring trend in interior design. Lime wash paint. In 2024, lime wash paint remains a sought-after choice for interior design enthusiasts seeking to add character and charm to their living spaces. This ancient technique, dating back to Roman times, offers a textured, suede-like finish that sets it apart from traditional paints. Its popularity stems from its ability to impart a cozy, patinated appearance that enhances the ambiance of any room. Typically available in soft hues like white or gray, lime wash also comes in vibrant colors, allowing for versatile creative expression. Its eco-friendly composition, derived from natural limestone and water, makes it breathable and environmentally sustainable, contributing to its appeal in modern homes. One of the most popular applications of lime wash in 2024 is on interior walls and ceilings. Designers and homeowners alike appreciate its ability to transform ordinary drywall into textured surfaces that exude timeless elegance. Whether used to highlight architectural features or to create a rustic backdrop, lime wash paint continues to captivate with its blend of historic charm and contemporary style. Scallop details. Scallop details are enjoying a resurgence in 2024, adding a whimsical yet refined flair to contemporary interiors. Originating from the late Renaissance period, these elegantly curved edges have adorned everything from furniture to mirrors, evoking a sense of playful sophistication. Historically, scallop motifs gained prominence in both fashion and furnishings during the Victorian era, becoming synonymous with haute couture elegance. Today, interior designers are embracing scallop edges as a timeless design element that effortlessly enhances any space. The scallop technique, characterized by its graceful curves resembling the edge of a scallop shell, continues to captivate designers and homeowners alike. Its versatility allows it to be integrated into various decor styles, from traditional to modern, offering a touch of artistic charm and visual interest. Light wells for natural illumination. Light wells are architectural gems that excel in transforming interiors by harnessing natural light to illuminate even the darkest corners of a home. Also known as sky wells or air shafts, these cleverly designed spaces integrate seamlessly into large buildings, providing essential ventilation and a flood of daylight where it's needed most. Beyond their functional benefits, light wells contribute to a home's atmosphere, enhancing mood and well-being. Natural light isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it positively influences productivity and reduces stress levels among residents. Architecturally, light wells play a pivotal role in highlighting textures, colors, and spatial forms, amplifying the inherent beauty of a space. By guiding natural light strategically, architects can accentuate design elements and create dynamic visual experiences that evolve throughout the day. Quiet luxury and latte decorating. Quiet luxury and latte decorating epitomize understated elegance in interior design. These styles focus on refined simplicity, using neutral palettes, premium materials, and subtle accents to create tranquil and sophisticated spaces. Imagine soft hues, plush textures, and a blend of modern and timeless elements that evoke a sense of effortless sophistication. In modern luxury interiors, less is indeed more. Emphasizing minimalism, this approach prioritizes clean lines and uncluttered spaces to promote a sense of calm and organization. Monochromatic color schemes play a crucial role in achieving harmony and balance, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal without overwhelming the senses. By incorporating natural materials and embracing a minimalist aesthetic, quiet luxury and latte decorating foster environments that feel both inviting and serene. Have you tried any of these 2024 home design tips yet? Share your experience or ask questions. Our community loves exchanging ideas. Integrating smart home technology. Smart home technology is revolutionizing modern living by offering unparalleled convenience and efficiency. From smart lighting and thermostats to security systems, these innovations empower homeowners to control their environments effortlessly. Imagine adjusting your home's ambiance with a simple voice command or remotely managing security while away. The key advantage of smart home design lies in its seamless integration into daily life. By centralizing control through mobile apps or dedicated panels, users gain instant access to monitor and adjust various aspects of their home. This not only enhances convenience, but also promotes a stress-free lifestyle by ensuring everything from lighting to entertainment is optimized with minimal effort. With continuous advancements, smart home technologies are becoming more intuitive and accessible, catering to diverse preferences and needs. Cozy warm neutrals. Warm neutrals continue to dominate interior design trends, creating inviting and cozy spaces with their timeless appeal. Shades like beige, taupe, and warm gray are versatile, complementing various decor styles effortlessly. In 2024, we're seeing a resurgence of softer neutrals that enhances the overall ambiance of homes. These hues not only promote a serene environment, but also have a practical benefit of making rooms appear larger and more spacious. Neutrals with cool undertones, such as bluey grays or green grays, further amplify this effect, adding an airy and light feel to interiors. The popularity of neutrals lies in their ability to serve as a neutral backdrop that accommodates different tastes and design preferences. By opting for subdued colors, homeowners can create a tranquil setting that adapts easily to evolving trends without overwhelming the space. This flexibility makes neutrals a staple choice for those seeking a harmonious balance between comfort, style, and versatility in home decor. Terrazzo accents. Terrazzo has made a robust comeback in 2024, celebrated for its durability and aesthetic versatility in home design. This composite material, comprising marble, quartz, granite, glass chips, or other aggregates, is renowned for its seamless integration into both flooring and wall treatments. Whether poured in place or precast, Terrazzo offers a durable surface that withstands heavy foot traffic and retains its polished appearance over decades. What sets Terrazzo apart is its sustainability profile. With an impressive lifespan averaging 75 years, it significantly reduces the need for frequent replacements, thereby conserving resources and minimizing environmental impact. Its longevity translates into reduced material consumption, lower energy use during production, and decreased transportation emissions. Personalizing with unique decor. Beyond mere functionality, the essence of a personalized home lies in its ability to reflect individuality through thoughtful decor choices. By curating colors, furnishings, and design elements that resonate with personal style and values, a home becomes a canvas for self-expression. Custom furniture pieces and bespoke artworks serves as focal points that not only elevate aesthetics, but also convey a sense of uniqueness and identity. Textures and materials play a crucial role in shaping the ambiance of a space. Whether it's the warmth of wood or the sleekness of metal, these elements contribute to creating a mood that aligns with personal preferences and lifestyle. Ultimately, a truly unique interior transcends rigid style conventions by embracing a blend of influences and personal touches. It's about creating a living environment that not only meets practical needs, but also fosters a deeper connection to one's surroundings, making every corner of the home a reflection of individuality and personal story. Sustainable and eco-friendly design. In 2024, sustainability takes center stage in interior design, offering not just a responsible choice, but also a modern aesthetic. By integrating eco-friendly features like solar panels, green roofs, and sustainable materials, homeowners can contribute positively to the environment while enhancing the value and appeal of their homes. Using sustainable materials not only reduces environmental impact, but also promotes healthier indoor air quality, crucial for occupant well-being. Energy-efficient technologies, such as LED lighting and smart home systems, further enhance sustainability by minimizing energy consumption and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Embracing sustainability in home design is a proactive step towards a greener future, where every choice made today contributes to a more sustainable tomorrow. It's about creating spaces that harmonize with nature while meeting the needs of modern living. It's been a pleasure sharing these top home design tips with you. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on our future videos, packed with design inspirations and expert insights. Keep evolving your space with style and sophistication. Get fluent, stay fluent.